Welcome to our channel Color Mixing. Today we will mix different colors with yellow and observe the results. For our first mix, we take equal amounts of dark purple and yellow. We mix these to paints thoroughly using our brush. The colors do not dominate each other and thatch green emerges as a completely different color. When it dries, the final form of the color appears. We start our second mix with a little bit of yellow and add the same amount of Spanish purple to it. We are waiting for a reddish orange to form. And we encounter Tabasco, which takes its name from a sauce from the culinary world. And we wait for it to dry to see its final form. To create our next color, we first take some of baby blue and then some of yellow. Since green is a mixture of yellow and blue, we can say that a light toned green will appear here, and that's what happens. Salad green appears with all its vividness and maintains it when dried. In our new color, yellow is accompanied by dusk, which looks like a mixture of blue and darkness. We mix these two colors thoroughly and, moment by moment, the color of a plant symbolized by its unique appearance is formed. Fern green. It continues to represent nature even when it dries. To create our next color, we take some of our main color yellow and add amaranth to it. We expect a kind of orange to be created by mixing these two colors. And in line with our expectations and color theory, pumpkin emerges. We see its final form when it dries. For our final color, we take some night blue and add yellow to it. We know that as a result of this mixture, a color from the green family will emerge. And at the end of the mix we welcome evergreen. The dried colors retain their beauty. With yellow we have seen some of the results of mixing different colors. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video where we will meet new colors.